This video puts you through on how to install Git on a computer or laptop. All right, whether your PC runs 32 bits or 64 bits, let's just get right into it. Okay, this is how to install Git on a laptop. All right, so the first step or a computer. So the first step is to open your web browser. We are going to do that using a browser. As a browser opens, visit this link, git sm.com/downloads. All right, I'll have the link in the description so you can still get to the description, click on it, and you are taken to this place. Okay. All right, so I'm landed on this page. It's time for us to start the installation. So depending on the type of laptop or computer you are using, you will select the OS here. So you can see the option of Mac OS, Linux or Unix, and Windows. So here I'm using Windows 11. So I'm going to go with this option of Windows. So depending on your device type, click on that. Okay, so on this page is telling us some things about what we are about downloading. Okay, so depending on the type of Windows you are running, I'm going with this option of 64 bits for Windows setup. All right, that's the type of PC I'm using. If you use 32 bits, you can go with this. Okay, so it says I should click here to download the latest. Okay, 64-bit version of Git for Windows. So we need something that is the most recent. All right. So click here to download it. All right. So if you can't find anything like this here, you can go with any of these options. Okay. Whether you are using 32 bits or 64 bits. So any of them depending on the type of Windows PC you are using. Okay. So let me go with this option. And as you can see, it's downloading. So I will wait for it to download fully. And after that, I will start the installation. Okay, so this is done installing. So I can click here for you to see it here. Then I can click on the file, okay, the application file. All right, a notification shows up on my screen asking me if I want to allow this to make changes. Click on yes. Okay, so the next step is to click on next here. Then this is the location the file will be installed. Click on next. All right, so click on next. All right, so this is the name gate. So click on next and then click on next. All right, so let's just decide. So click on next. So keep on clicking on the next button. Use bundle open SSH. No problem. Click on next. Then keep on clicking on next. Use native Windows Secure Channel Library. It's okay. So click on next. So keep clicking on next until you are done with the installation. Fast forward emerge next. Enable file system install. Okay. So just hold on until this installation is done. And the installation is done. So we can click on finish. All right. And with this, the installation is done. So you can read through all these stuffs. Okay. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot of technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing, so subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. When you do that, you're helping this channel to grow. Alright? And still leave a comment. Let me hear what you have to say about this video. Is it helpful or you need something more? Alright, maybe you want to install it on a Mac. Just tell me something, alright? I will guide you further. Watch this video here to learn how to open GitHub account. Thank you and see you some other time.